Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months. From the time na mapanood mo ang reading na to, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. So, ang link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo mag-book. Okay, Capricorn. Next 6 months. What's coming? Anong changes? Never-ending story. Meron ditong may mga bagay na nagpapastress sa'yo na matatapos na. No? Magkakaroon ka na ng peace of mind. Para tong cycle sa buhay mo na feeling mo hindi mo magawan-gawan ng paraan, paulit-ulit, no? Pwedeng financial struggle, na namumroblema ka na, paano to maayos, bakit ganito, paulit-ulit na lang, di ka na makaahon. But in the next 6 months, you will find peace of mind. So, ibig sabihin yan, makahanap ka ng solusyon. Mariresolve mo itong issue mo na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kasi mas magiging imaginative ka, no? Yung imagination mo is flowing in the next 6 months. Maaring may mga bagong creative ideas na marirealize ka, may isip. And kung makikita mo, no, hinihila niya yung moon papunta sa earth or pababa, no? So, ibig sabihin niyan, yung pangarap mo, no, yung mga wini-wish mo, yung dreams mo, you are making it happen in the next 6 months. So, whatever this is, ano man yung mga pangarap mo dyan, i-claim mo na that in the next 6 months, it will become a reality. 11th house. Friendship. Ayan, group creativity. So, I think yung iba sa inyo magiging part kayo ng isang grupo, ng isang community na kung saan meron kayong pare-parehong interest, no? Kahit yung mga Facebook groups, ganyan, na interesado sa mga cars or kung ano-ano pang interest ninyo. And I also see you doing charity work in the next 6 months. Giving back to people, helping others. in any way you can, no? Yung pagtulong sa iba, hindi lang naman yan financial, no? Pwedeng resources mo yan, your energy, your ideas. Meron ditong numinous. So, the unknown. Uy, yan yung psychic abilities, Capricorn, mas lalong mag-enhance in the next 6 months. I think, may changes, transformation. Merong spiritual awakening for some of you. If you are not yet in the, divination, hindi ka pa masyadong nagda-dive into spirituality, mas lalo kang magiging interesado. Pwedeng magiging interested ka lalo sa tarot reading, sa astrology, pag-aaralan mo yan, or any form of beliefs, no? Belief system. You have the owl. Ang owl is about knowledge, wisdom. So, I think mas lalo kang, magiging matalino. Oo, maraming kaalaman. May mga bago kang pag-aaralan para ma-enhance ang iyong talento, no? The owl is also clear knowing, clarity, and wisdom. So, pagdating sa mga decision making, it's much easier for you na mag-decide dahil you already know what to choose or what to do. You also have the root. Root is kung ano yung foundation mo. So I think you will focus on what you really love, no? Kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. And yung iba sa inyo magbabalik kayo sa inyong pinanggalingan. When I say babalik sa pinanggalingan, pwedeng yung passion ninyo na pwedeng isinantabi nyo, hindi nyo na ipinursu dahil naging busy kayo sa ibang bagay. Yung iba naman sa inyo, babalik sa inyong dating tinirhan. Oo. Or sa inyong hometown. Pwedeng dun kayo magsisettle na, no? Oo. And this is also having stability in your life, becoming more productive. In the next 6 months, marami kang gagawin, no? Maaring marami ka ring ma-achieve dahil magiging productive ka. So, kung ano man yung mga goals mo, mga gusto mong i-pursue pa sa buhay, do it as much as you can. Kasi, ma-achieve mo yan. As many as you can. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the Page of Cups. So, ito yung pangarap. Pangarap mo sa buhay. Maaring merong mabubuo na bagong goal sa buhay mo na never mong in-expect na magiging goal mo siya. Okay? So, for example, dati ang pangarap mo, gusto mong maging doktor, gusto mong maging abogado, or maging business owner. Tapos ngayon, meron ka na namang bagong pangarap. And maaring gusto mong maging pinamakamagaling na content creator or meron kang gustong ma-achieve sa certain community. Iba, papasok sa sa politics, government, public service. You have the Tower. Merong ang tower moment na iba natatakot dyan. But this is about destroying something na nandyan na hindi na effective para makapag-build ng bago. Diba? Wheel of Fortune. Yung iba may blockages. I think ito yung blockages, ito yung dinidestroy para mas maging tuloy-tuloy yung daloy, 'di ba? Kasi 'di ba pag may blockages, hindi may pumipigil 'di ba? Oo. Example sa tubig na lang, 'di ba? Sa tubo ng tubig, kung may nakabara diyan, yung tubig hindi malakas yung agos kasi may nakabara. So, I think ayan yung matatanggal, yung bara na yan. With the Wheel of Fortune, like moving forward. I think pagdating to sa finances ninyo, may mga obstacles or blockages kayo pagdating sa finances na aayusin nyo. I-work out nyo ngayong in the next 6 months para ma-balance nyo ulit. Kung kayo wala masyadong savings in the next 6 months, makakapag-save na kayo. Kasi mas magiging focus kayo in money-making activities. Pwedeng business, pwedeng sa trabaho ninyo. Wow, 10 of Cups, happiness, also financial stability. You have the King of Cups. So, I think mas magiging passionate ka sa ginagawa mo in the next 6 months. Whether this is a relationship or career or a business or pag-focus sa family mo. Yan yung attention mo ngayon. Yung pagsasaayos ng mga bagay na may blockages sa buhay mo. And ngayon, magpo-focus ka rin sa pagkakaroon ng maayos at mapayapang family. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!